Once there was a little rabbit named Bunny. Bunny lived in a cozy burrow in the woods with her family. One day, Bunny decided to explore the forest. She hopped and bounced through the trees, taking in all the sights and sounds of nature. As she was exploring, she stumbled upon a babbling brook. Bunny was so mesmerized by the water that she didn't notice the big, slippery rock in front of her. She lost her balance and fell into the cold, clear water. Bunny gasped as she went under, but she quickly swam to the surface and back to shore. From then on, Bunny made sure to watch where she was going on her adventures.